Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and it's pasta time. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a chicken broccoli pasta with this creamy sauce. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right guys, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our boneless chicken breast. We have some penne pasta here, broccoli florets in this bowl here, heavy whipping cream, olive oil, Italian seasoning, black pepper, garlic cloves chopped, butter, red chili flakes, that's optional, chicken broth, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, and we have a southern blend here for our chicken. You can use salt and pepper if you have that. You can use Creole seasoning, Cajun seasoning, whatever you want. I'm using this southern blend. So that's all you need. Let's jump into it. So to get started, we're gonna season our chicken breast with our southern blend, seasoning here, Italian seasoning, and our black pepper. We're just gonna go in with our hands and get that baby all mixed around in here. Just like that. All right, let's go ahead and set this aside, head over to our cooktop. So now we're gonna heat up some olive oil over a medium heat. Once that oil heats up, you wanna add your chicken breast. And we're gonna cook the chicken all the way through to it's golden brown. That could take several minutes, just depending on how big your breasts are. Damn, did I say how big your breasts are? How big your chicken pieces are. All right guys, so we're finishing up on our chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and get this removed. We're gonna set it aside, let our chicken cool down, head over to our stove, start preparing our pasta. All right, so over here at the stove, we're bringing up our pot of water. Actually, it's already up to boil. I've already added a little salt in it, and we're gonna add our penne pasta. That's what I'm using. If you wanna use another pasta, that's fine. And we're gonna let this cook al dente, probably about 8 to 10 minutes. All right, so we're in the last 2 minutes of the cooking of our pasta. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add our broccoli here, and we're gonna cook this for the remaining 2 minutes. All right, guys, so it looks like we're good. 2 minutes is over. We don't want to overcook our pasta. So now I'm gonna head over to our sink. I'm gonna get this drained, and we're gonna set it aside and head back over to our cooktop, all right? All right guys, in that same skillet we cooked the chicken in, we're gonna melt 3 tablespoons of butter. Once that butter melts, we're gonna add our garlic, and we're gonna saute our chopped garlic in this butter for about a minute. After about that minute, you wanna go in with your heavy whipping cream, your chicken broth, and we're gonna bring that to a slight simmer. Once it starts to simmer like that, we're gonna add our Parmesan cheese, and we're gonna get that stirred in until it melts and it's smooth. And in this step, you can add your little salt, which I'm gonna do to taste. And I'm gonna add a little pepper. Now we're gonna go in with our pasta and broccoli, and also our chicken. And of course, we're gonna get that mixed in and moved around in here, just enough to get it warmed through. And we're gonna let this cook for an additional 2 minutes, kind of let that sauce thicken up just a little bit. All right guys, so it looks like we're good. I'm gonna turn our heat off. Let's head over to our cutting board and put the final touches on it. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is, and this is optional, we're just gonna add some red chili flakes to it, just to add a little heat to it. You don't have to do much. This is like a 1/4 or 1/8 to a 1/4 of a teaspoon, just to have just a little touch of heat. And guys, there you have it. Chicken broccoli pasta. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. Let's jump into quality control and do a taste test. Listen, the favorite part of the show has arrived. Our chicken and broccoli pasta, man. Whew. Let's go ahead, without further ado, we just gonna go ahead and jump into it, man. We're gonna get some chicken on here and we're gonna get some pasta on here. And some of that creamy sauce. Made me want to slow dance, man. Oh man, this is what I'm talking about. Listen, it don't get much better than this. You already know chicken and broccoli and cheese is all a nice combination. Can't really go wrong with this. Definitely add this to your pasta to-do list. So guys, until the end, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I'm not a chef. I'm just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Good googly moogly.